Hello, my name's S Rob. I would like to talk about tactical pen occultism. This is a book which uses an item never used in occultism before, the tactical pen. The tactical pen is a survival item. It is a pen normally, it has a sharp top or else the bottom part of the nib is very strong. And basically it's used as a weapon as well. You can stab it into flesh. It doesn't have to go into the flesh. It's more like prodding someone with a stick. You can go there onto the side of the neck like that with it. And it has that. You can also get ones that have keys and things in them and little tops. They're very easy to get. Okay, you can get them from survival stores. You get them from AliExpress. You can also get them from eBay. But the book itself is useful because it allows you to use the tactical pen in occultism. It means you're essentially using that as a magical tool. Okay, so as you may use a weapon in magic, using the tactical pen, and it's much more practical, really, because you can put a tactical pen in your pocket like that. It just fits on like that. You can walk around with it. You know, most places it's legal because it's not really a weapon as such. It's really more of an add-on. Okay, most people I would say would buy them because they're very, very pens, far more, and it allows you to do things like attack with it from a distance. So you can be in the other end of the world with the pen and do a ritual, and the person can be affected or drop dead or hurt or anything you want. And it uses that, brings it forward, the whole art of magic forward through the use of that book. And it's called Tactical Pen Occultism. That's Tactical Pen Occultism. Find that Amazon.com and also Lulu. It's by myself, S Rob. It's a great book to buy. Please do buy the book. It's very, very good. It's life altering.